So guys, I will be showing you how I fixed invisible zipper at the back of this my basque waistline. So I'm not going to be using a step footer. Just watch closely and see how I am going to be fixing it. Guys, I'm starting with one side of the zip. So before you do this, make sure you must have measured the length at which your zipper is going to stop at the back of your dress. So guys, I started sewing it on one side. The zipper is closed up. I did not open it up at this point. So after stitching out on the one side, I will go ahead to stitch down on the other side as well. Please make sure to watch closely and see what I am doing. Guys, by the time I finish fixing this zipper, trust me, it is going to come out very straight. Most of the times when people finish sewing their dresses, the zipper does not sit well at the back. And for the making of this dress, don't worry, after this video I am going to be dropping the full tutorial for this dress. Please, if you want the full tutorial for this dress, just do well to let me know in the comment section, okay? So you can see I am stitching down. This is the first round of my stitching on the zipper, just to hold it firmly. This is not the actual stitching, okay? This is just the basic to hold it firmly. At this point I am not using my industrial machine, so if you are using industrial machine, just go ahead and use a zipper foot. So this is a manner machine. So whenever I'm using this manner machine, most of my dresses, especially crepe fabrics, I use invisible zipper. So guys, you can see how it's looking. You can see, but this side is not equal. That's the black part is not starting on the same line. So guys, what I am going to be doing now is to go ahead to stitch down the second part, as you can see on the video. Then if there is any adjustment, then I'll go ahead to do that. But for now, let me stitch down the second part, okay? And please do not forget that this black fabric is actually a crepe fabric. Yes, it is crepe. And then I also lined it. And also for this zipper, I made sure that I did not place the head of the zipper at the starting point of my back. If you look closely, you see that there is excess. That is at the beginning part. So at this point, after stitching down, I had to look close. You can see this place is not equal. That's the black lines are not equal. So I will go ahead to loosen it up and then stitch it again, okay? And because I've not finished up the stitching of this zipper, you can see it doesn't look straight. Don't worry, by the time I finish stitching it down, you will see the actual look. So guys, I've loosened this place, so I will go ahead to stitch it down again so that the black fabrics, the starting point of the black fabrics will align and they will start on the same line, okay? And that is what I am doing now. And then I told you that I did not place the head of my zipper at the starting point of my back, so meaning that I removed excess zipper and then I started midway. That's if you understand what I'm saying and if you are watching the video clearly. So guys, at this point I am making sure to kind of stretch out that area that did not meet up with the black line. So that is what I am doing here exactly. And please, if you are fixing a zipper on a fabric material, please do not stretch it, because that will be the basis of your problem and it will give you a lot of concern. That is if you like to have a very perfect finishing. So at this point I am stitching it down. This is now the second part of my stitching. If you look closely, you see that at this point I've already opened up the zip, and after opening up the zip you can also see that I am using my fingers to open up. Just be looking at my fingers. You see that I'm using it to open up that zipper, just so that I will sew very close to the zipper teeth. Yes, so this stitch I'm running now is very close to the zipper teeth. You get that is, and this is very easy to achieve if you open up your zipper just the same way. So guys, you can see this is how it looks. So by the time I close it up, I will check and know if the black lines are aligned together, if they are straight and very equal to each other. So let's go ahead and close up the zip and then check. Wow. Yes, they are very equal now. Even if they are not equal, they are almost equal. You can see how it is looking so closed up, guys. You can see. So this is exactly how your zipper, your invisible zipper, is supposed to look by the time you sew it down on your sewing machine, using exactly the way I told you. Okay, and then guys, that is just the end of the video, and then I'll go ahead to fold in this excess at the up part and then trim it off. Also, I'll go ahead to fold it in and also trim it off. So just make sure to do the same thing, and then you see the final look. You can see how the zipper is sitting so flat on my body. Wow, this is exactly, in fact, sewing zipper to a dress is one of my favorite points in sewing. Yes, so fixing zipper is one of my favorite things in fashion designing.